Meet the Gulu G2000, the lightest, most powerful car jump starter that can start any 12-volt car up to 40 times. It can also jump start this and this. And did we mention these? While it's slim and lightweight enough to come along for the ride, don't let its size fool you. This is not your regular car jump starter. It's your all-weather companion, a helping hand when you need it most, and a portable battery that can charge all your devices at once at up to 4 times this speed. It'll even work if your car battery is totally flat. And don't worry about getting out of your car to get it going. It can charge from the cigarette lighter output instead, so it's always convenient wherever you are. Its unique smart cable makes it easier to use than the competition too, self-diagnosing the battery status and walking you through the process step by step to get your car up and running quickly. You know, that save the day kind of stuff. There's even a torch for emergencies, every kind of emergency. Once you're home, plug the G2000 in and it's good to go again in 4 hours. One charge will last up to 3 months, so it's ready to help out whenever you need it. Such attention to detail comes down to Gulu's experience in the industry. We sold one of our jump starters every second on Black Friday. You can check out our Amazon reviews to see why. We listen to what our users want in a flagship product, and after thousands of hours of research, the G2000 is the result. Don't wait until you need the G2000. Buy it now and secure your peace of mind today.
Introducing iMate, the ultimate companion for all Apple devices. Revolutionary. Plug and sync all of your favorite Apple devices at the same time. Apple Watch charging, certified by Apple. With iMate dual Type-C power delivery docking station. Exceptional power solution. 2-port USB. USB-C primary. Charge 3 times faster. Compatible with all Apple devices. Dual Type-C, 10 GB S data speed with PD fast charge. Quick transfer, flawless data transfer that's even faster than you can blink. Ultra compact with powerful built-in features. There's no need to pack along multiple adapters, dongles and hubs when you're on the road with iMate.
Introducing InTech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. InTech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. InTech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, InTech stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. InTech, 4K just got portable.
Back to one place, our beds. It's our greatest comfort, and that comfort all starts with our sheets. Introducing Slumber Sheets, obsessively engineered luxury sheets that don't break the bank. We use only single-ply cotton yarns that make our sheets stronger with less piling and snapping. Tug and pull to your heart's desire. Use our all-natural sleep mist to freshen and kill bacteria on your sheets. It even helps you get to sleep better. Everything is super easy to set up. Slumber sheets are extremely breathable, which means no more twisting and turning. No more sweaty nights. Slumber sheets feel softer and lighter than any other cotton in the world. We source and use extra long staple cotton grown in Egypt that is certified and responsibly grown. No harmful chemicals involved, so you can sleep comfortably. Eco-friendly packaging, so that everything is reusable or recyclable. You've been led to believe that higher thread count means higher quality. Slumber sheets legitimately use 300 threads of cotton per square inch. Our tests showed that this was the perfect thread count for quality sleep. The best part? Every single standard slumber set is under $100. That's right under $100. We nailed the quality, the comfort, the durability, and the price. We got rid of every single markup that didn't contribute to quality. You don't need fancy packaging, branded labels, or any other unnecessary charge. No BS. You just need quality sheets. We even provide free shipping to the US. We believe everyone deserves better sleep. Slumber. Bedding made simple. Get the sleep you deserve. GetSlumber.com.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Justin, and for the past year, our team has been working on creating the best fidget toy in the world. This is Fidget Power, the world's only fidgeting device that charges your electronics. With Fidget Power, you get 10 awesome buttons and switches, plus powerful internal battery storage that can charge up your smartphone, give your tablet hours of extra use, or supply power to nearly any USB chargeable device. For the first time ever, you can simultaneously charge your favorite device as you click, twist, slide, roll, and mash, all in one ultra-portable package. And let's not forget about the optional magnet. It makes everything so much more fun. Backers get to choose from a bunch of sweet color options.